can you tell me what is the use of SAP MM module?
Yes. What is the use in my company or the overall?
Overall, it is not actually for company.
Okay. MM is related to how you manage your purchasing activities, inventory activities, and your invoicing. It's all about your material planning, resource plannings, how you can, what are the mediums in which you procure the falling material, what are the modes of these procurements, what are the things you can, what I can say, rebates, conditions for schemas, what are the movements, how the stock can be placed in your systems, and how you invoice the different material after the things are procured.
Okay.
So MM is relation from purchase, procure to pay. The cycle of MM is related to procure to pay. So this is the whole MM cycle.
Okay, so can you explain steps in procurement life cycle?
Yes. The first step in the purchase step is initiator. As I am, what I say, which should start with an example, right? I am the requisitioner depart. I am the requisitioner. I want to procure a certain goods. Let's say a mouse. I want to procure a mouse, which is not in the stock. So I could request that mouse via requisition. Purchase requisition is an internal document which intimate the procurement department the certain requisition in the company wants to procure a mouse. So requisitioning is the first step in the procurement of the life cycle of purchase. After requisition, the this plot to be the release. After the release, the procurement department will send this following information to get some quote from the purchase from the vendors in the local market or maybe sourcing to its international market if the material has some requirements which are not present in the country. So after the quotations which are and dealing with that, negotiate with the vendors, deal with the requisitioner. The successful vendor will get the quote. They issue the official PO to him. After the POs, the GRNs will be made in the systems, GRNs, and after the GRNs are made, they move towards invoice parking and posting in the system.
Okay, thank you. So can you tell me what is the difference between procurement for stock versus consumption?
Okay. If you want to procure the stockable, but I bet the thing is stockable. It is meant to be. What are you saying? Stockable purchasing.
Yes, yes. Procurement for stock versus consumption.
Yes, yes. Consumption, or which in my times, you want to inventorize or something want to stockable in the future. You want to show something. So that particular thing would be in stockable items.
Okay. Okay, so I would like to know what is special procurement? Can you tell me?
Okay. Okay, the special procurements are the modes which are not the normal purchasing, but are the modes in which you can procure. Like subcontracting is one of the mode of special. Consignment is one of the mode
Okay.
of special procurement which are I am dealing with. This
Okay, so what are the common assignment types in ACP MM system?
assignment. We are dealing with the PP module. We have two options. Either we go for make to stock or make to order. Make to order case in that feasibility, if the customer come to us and we make certain special thing for him only, that's category come under make to stock, make to order, sorry, make to order. In the normal cases in which we stock the material or our finished product for sale purpose, which is come to under make to stock. Make to stock, yes.
Okay, so what do you understand by good receipt in ACP system?
Okay, good receipt. Good receipts after the PO, you want to GRN in system. Good receipts is term means that there is a different ways to GR in the system. Either you go for direct GRN or two-way GRN in the system. whichever things are meant to be stocked, they no, no, I can explain. Give me a time. If you want to know the concept of GR, I'm right.
Yes, yes.
Okay, there are different types of GR. I am just confusing on that. Actually, I'm dealing a lot of GRs in the systems. So elaboration is simply is that once the goods are received in your factory against some PO, the next thing would be done in the system is good proceed with this PO with respect to purchase order.
Can you tell me what is free item in SAP system?
Pre,
Free item.
can you elaborate more specific? Free item means
Free item. The price will
oh,
be
free item. Sorry. Free item. Which we can your user give us for FOC. In the import case, we mostly get the FOC things. So if we I can in our stock, so we put the FOC tick in the purchase order, and then the GR is made only free with no what say net price of the material is waived off. We only pay some certain condition if required. Material if it's import, otherwise the material is from FOC free of cost. In no material cost is added in it.
okay. So what is an outline agreement?
Outline, there are two types of outline agreement. One is a scheduling agreement and one is contract. If you want to differentiate between scheduling agreement and contract, there is potence basically both deal with certain time period. There is two things very common in it. One is they both got some time, they are fixed with certain amount and time, and the price of that and time is locked in both the agreement. It cannot be changed. This is called scheduling agreements. Hello.
Okay. So I would like to know what do you understand by material master and how material master is maintained in SAP system.
Oh, tell you the whole procedure.
Am I audible to you?
Okay, material master. There are many kinds of material. First, I can give you example of use. If a material is not saleable, it is used for as a raw and it is used in our semi-finished. The nature of the material would be in characterized in raw material. So we have to characterize the material in terms of which are used for saleable or either only purchased for internal purposes. Which are purpose? That's a common example of FERTs. FERT is a home assembled product which are uh, made by local assemblies and it is for the sale purposes. Second is trading material. Trading is the assembled material which is import from the outside and we sell it in our homeland. And the few nature is raw. Raw is a local raw form of the material which is used in the bomb materials. How?
Hello. Hello. How do you define posting period in a company?
Okay. It is a tenure in which uh, all the GRNs or the invoices are posted in certain time frame. It is only for in terms of period. It is you can also open it for previous period if the FI period people are allowed to you. Basically, it's the posting period in which the GRNs are made recorded and invoices are posted in it. All your inventory movements, all your movement of materials are managed by through these posting periods.
Okay. So Basit, uh, let me ask you a different kind of question. Uh, 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 how often do you feel it's necessary to meet with your team?
I am as a part of internal team. After because I am the part of the internal team, in-house implementation. What I say, I am the employee of Hyundai Nishat. I work in here as an internal SAP team.
So how do you motivate your team? As I know that you were working as a senior consultant, so maybe you are
Mm-hmm.
having a team. So
No, yeah, I'm alone right now. I'm single right now.
okay, you are single right now, so you are not leading
It's
anybody.
because uh, now I'm leading the module, but not the leading a team because it is so early in this company to be handled in the team. Right now we have just limited persons over here who
Okay, so
handle the entire
have you
modules.
led any team?
Yes, in the past previous company, I have a small one, two guys under me who are getting to be trained to work now how the works or how the things are done in the module.
What do you think? What is the most difficult part of being a leader?
What is the most for me? How you come to the person level to explain the things which are what the client's demand or the in my case what the uh, person wants from you. It is the main thing. If you understand that communication gap between him and then you can easily manage the work of your system. So it is very necessary to understand what he wants from the system from you. If you know the systems very well, then you answer his question very accurately or very comfortably in your during the sessions meetings or brainstorming meetings. So it is very important to us. We should be on same page what we are designing, what we are implementing, what are outcomes of the system once it implemented. So that's the most working area in which I am working, how the things are managed first and we then go for that.
Okay, so maybe it is going to be a tricky question. So,
Okay.
what kind of criticism you get mostly?
To be get harsh a little bit because if the user don't understand what I'm saying, we have to give him a proof. But the things are little bit harsh. That's the mostly comment. Not mostly, but likewise comment I get.
So, do you think you are a good leader?
Hmm, I don't say that. If I motivate other guys, if they know, if they follow, then I say I am getting good. That's it. I don't observe the people, but I just do the work. So if I motivate in their life, in their work, uh, what I can say, my if I told you example of that, when I have the two guys under me, so my main part is that from I divide the time, did the 8 hours of job. First half is to understand the system, what are you trying to get, and second to observe the things by yourselves and come to me. What are your observations? So on the observation part, I will be harsh for them. So you didn't see that things are getting that way. You didn't observe the things why the things are not. You understand this way. But on that, if they questioning me, I always come to them and always happy to answer their questions. But the self learning, there is must be a concept of self learning in that person is that always there. If not, if it not self learning, self motivated, I think I cannot be understand or work with him.
Okay, so thank you so much for joining this interview session. It was a nice
Mhm.
discussion, and I was really enjoying.
Okay.
So, as
Okay.
you know, this is a very initial round. So, once you are shortlisted here, then you will be contacted for the second round of interview, and you
Mhm.
know everything about the company. Uh,
Okay. I have few questions. It is the implementation role or it's a function side role?
is functional side.
But alright, it is functional side because I'm working in both the capacity. It's a remote job or on-site job.
It's on-site job. It's not remote, but initially
Mm-hmm.
you have to work remotely, but after
Mm-hmm.
then you have to move there. Okay.
Mm-hmm. What kind of company is that? It is the main construction company, electronics company.
Big
What is the mode of the business?
is a big IT company. It's not construction or manufacturing type.
It's a basic and consultancy company. Then it's a consulting company.
Yes, yes.
It's a consulting company. All right. Then I hope I can satisfy from my answers.
Okay, let's see. I wish you a very best luck. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay.